In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack account from your reader profile. Let's get started. Open Substack in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the bottom left sidebar and click More. From the menu that appears, click Settings to open your account settings. Now scroll down the account settings page until you reach the publications area. Inside this section, click Create another publication to begin setting up a new Substack. On the next screen, you'll choose a publication URL. Click the URL field and type a unique URL slug for your new Substack. If Substack tells you the slug is unavailable, click at the end of the URL slug you just entered and add 2 extra digits to make it unique. Once it's accepted, click Continue below the URL field. Substack will now walk you through a few optional setup screens. On the Import Mailing List screen, click Skip for now or Continue without importing. On the Add Subscribers screen, click Skip for now or Continue without adding any subscribers. If you see prompts for recommendations, a logo, or design choices, click Skip for now or Continue without adding anything. Keep repeating the Skip or Continue action for any remaining optional setup screens until Substack finally opens the new publication dashboard. Once you land on the dashboard, you'll want to confirm the publication is properly connected to your reader profile. Substack will redirect you to the new publication's home dashboard automatically. From here, click Settings. Next, click the publication name field and type a clear name for your new Substack. Take your time here, since this is how readers will recognize your work. Once you've entered the name, click Save. After that, click the description field. Type a short reader promise that explains what your publication is about and what people can expect. When you're happy with it, click Save again. Now click the back button in the top left corner to return to the dashboard. Look at the top of the dashboard and confirm the new publication name appears there. Then click the down arrow next to Dashboard at the top of the page. This will open the publication switcher. Confirm the new publication appears in this switcher, then click the new publication name inside it. Your Substack Reader login now has a creator publication attached to the same account, and the dashboard switcher shows the publication you just created.